Trump administration rolls back greenhouse gas regulations. The Trump administration has officially rescinded a key environmental finding that has shaped U.S. emissions policy since 2009. This move effectively weakens federal regulations on greenhouse gas emissions from vehicles and industries, a decision the White House frames as restoring consumer choice and economic freedom. The core action is the repeal of the 2009 endangerment finding, a determination by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, that greenhouse gases pose a significant threat to public health and contribute to climate change. The endangerment finding. A scientific basis, the 2009 EPA finding was rooted in extensive scientific research demonstrating that gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in the atmosphere, driving global warming. This led to regulations aimed at reducing emissions from power plants, factories, and vehicles. The Trump administration dismisses this research as lacking factual basis, framing the regulations as a radical rule and part of a green scam. The repeal eliminates requirements for automakers to measure, report, and comply with federal greenhouse gas standards, including features like stop-start technology designed to lower vehicle emissions. Economic and political impacts. The administration claims this rollback will save Americans $1.3 trillion and automakers billions in losses, citing regulatory burdens as a drag on economic growth. This move is particularly contentious in states like California, which has long pursued stricter emissions standards independent of federal policy. Governor Gavin Newsom has vowed to challenge the decision in court, asserting the state's right to maintain its own regulations. The rollback also follows the administration's decision to end tax breaks for electric vehicles, EVs, further signaling a shift away from clean energy incentives. Broader consequences and opposition environmental groups predict the repeal will increase greenhouse gas emissions by 10% by 2055, leading to an estimated 58,000 premature deaths and millions more asthma attacks. Organizations like the Environmental Defense Fund and the Natural Resources Defense Council plan legal challenges, arguing the decision is scientifically unsound and legally baseless. The move is the latest in a series of actions under the Trump administration that prioritize economic deregulation over environmental protection, setting the stage for prolonged legal battles and heightened tensions between federal and state environmental policies. The reversal of these regulations has broader implications for the U.S. commitment to international climate agreements and could accelerate the shift towards fossil fuel dependency, potentially undermining efforts to mitigate global warming.